Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 7th standard. Today I will discuss about the industries. This is the third video of industries. Today I will discuss about the classification of industries. Classification of industries, this is on the basis of raw material and on the basis of size. We have divided into two parts. On the basis of raw material, again we will divide into two parts, that is mineral based industries and agro based industries. And on the basis of size, this one we will divide into large scale industry, small scale industry and cottage industry. So first you see, on the basis of raw material, that is mineral based industries. The industries that use mineral ores as their raw material are called the mineral based industries. The products of these industries feed the other industries. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industries. So iron and steel, shipbuilding, etc. These are the examples of mineral based industries. Next is coming, this is second one, that is agro based industries. Agro based industries means that the product is coming from agriculture. The industry that is dependent totally on the agricultural products, that is means as a raw material, then that is called agro-based industry. Sugar industry, cotton industry, jute industry, dairy products, leathers industry, etc. are the examples of agro-based industries. After that come on the basis of size. On the basis of size, this is divided into, industry is divided into three parts. One is the large scale industry, small scale and cottage industry. So large scale industry is what? The industries which employ a large number of employees and has huge capital investment are called large scale industries. Such as iron and steel, cotton industry, jute industry, these are the large scale industries. Means size is according to the size. Size is huge. Then small scale industry, from the name only you can understand that the small scale means small scale industries are those industries which employ a small number of laborers and has less capital investment, then less than 20 lakh rupees, then that is small scale industry, such as silk weaving. After that, cottage industry. Cottage industry, these industries were skilled craftsmen and these craftsmen work by hand in a specialized manners, and this is the term of this is, we can say that as a cottage industry. These cottage industries are run by the family members of their own house or some group of people also. That is carpets, saris, decorative materials, then the importance, these type are these are the examples of cottage industry. Next I am discussing, so this is over. Next I am discussing about the industrial pollution and how to take the prevention. Industries, now we have seen so many industries are there: iron and steel, cotton, textile, information technology, sugar industry, shipbuilding industry, fishing industry, automobile industry. Already I have discussed in my first video. So now these industries are the best indicators to overall growth of the country. That one we know that. Now industrial, there are also some drawbacks of this industry. So what is that drawback? Industrial pollution is the drawback of these industries. Industrial pollution is the release of waste and pollutants generated by industrial activities into the environment, such as the air, water and land, etc. Industrial pollution is responsible for the degradation of our environment. So industries are responsible for the discharge of toxins and waste in the atmosphere, and also water and in soil also. They are responsible for increase the level of carbon dioxide, and increase the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere means you know that the global warming temperature is rising. So our environment is getting polluted every day by industrial waste. which is very harmful for the human beings. Thus it is very important to take some preventive measures to save our environment. Now we will see that what are the preventive measures. So now we will see that what are the preventive measures to save our environment. Number one, we can say that the water should be recycled and reused to minimize its uses. Secondly, rainwater harvesting should be done to meet our water requirements. Rainwater harvesting means that is to preserve the rainwater, and afterwards whenever huge rainfall, and then afterwards we can use that rainwater. Then thirdly, we can say some eco-friendly sources of energy should be used to reduce the smoke emission. Then after that, fourth, we can say that to control noise pollution, sound absorbing material should be used. Means mic should not have to use. Instead of that box, you have seen now, if they are now the present days they are using box, and you have seen also in the whenever the exam is going on beside there, and that mics are disturbing you. So we have to prevent this noise pollution. Industries should be located away from the residential areas, otherwise this carbon dioxide gas, which one now you see that from window, you have seen that the carbon dioxide gases are coming, and due to that breathing problem, everything we are feeling. So have to set up the industries little far from the residential areas. After that, we can say that the industrial waste should be subjected to proper treatment before the discharge in the open areas, and Environmental Protection Act should be strictly followed by the industry. If we will follow these measures, preventive measures, then positively it save our environment and we will be helpful for them. I am finishing my video up to here. So hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.